We're here with another banging recipe from the southeastern state of Nigeria, Owerri. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Let me take you through the process of preparing this delicious native soup from Imo State. Let's start by boiling our proteins and yam. We're using goat's meat, snail, roundabout, and stockfish. The yam here serves as a thickening agent. Now the yam is cooked already. Next, it will be blended with palm oil. I'm going in with my dried fish here, and we're still going to leave this to boil. Adding some crayfish, seasoning powder, and we'll allow this to cook for some time. We're going to be spicing this with some scotch bonnet pepper. You put as much as you want. Palm oil is next, and then our blended yam. I said yam because I didn't have cocoyam available. Cocoyam is what we're supposed to use for this very soup, okay? But in place of that, you can use the yam. Now the soup is almost ready. Next, we'll be going in with our leaves. This is ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf, and next we're going in with our okazi leaf. That is what we call afang. And then we're just going to cook this for a few minutes because we don't want the vegetables to be overcooked. And our ofe Owerri is ready. The soup is a banger. You need to taste this. No. I just can't keep this good thing to myself alone. You need to have a taste of this. Umuwanyu Owerri. So this is what you guys have been enjoying all this while. Please, if you've watched to this point, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. I would really appreciate that. And drop nice comments as well. I would also want you to try out this recipe and give me a feedback until my next video. Bye!